Hello everyone, welcome to VMS class. In this video, I am going to show you the program to find the sum of digits in the given number. For example, if I provide the input is 1, 2, 3, then your program output should print 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Your program output should print 6. And in the previous programs, I have explained clearly how to extract the digit one by one from the given number. Now, that program will help us to write the logic for this, find the sum of digits in the given number. So, the logic is very simple. So, you extract the last digit using the modulus operator. Okay, you extract the last digit. For example, I have the number 1, 2, 3. First extract the number, okay, 3. Then assume that we have initialized a sum equal to 0. That last digit will be extracted, that will be added to the sum. Now the current sum is 3 and the current number is 1, 2. Okay, so from this we are going to have, okay, let's say 1, 2, 3 is my number. I am extracting this last digit, okay, and adding to the sum initialized, that is 0. Then what I will do, I will remove this last digit now. So the number will become 1, 2. Okay. So first step is you have to extract the digit. Then you have to perform the sum. Then remove the last digit. And again repeat the process. So now extract the last digit and add to the existing sum. The existing sum is here 3. 3 plus the last digit here is 2. There is a 5 here. Okay, so now you need to remove the last digit from this number. So now if you remove that, you will get this 1. Now again, sum equal to existing sum is here 5. Okay, 5 plus extract this digit, that is 1. Now the current sum is 6, right? Now what we can do, again remove this last digit. So if you remove this last digit, now the number will become 0. If you notice that the initially the number is 1, 2, 3, then after removing the last digit, the number is 1, 2. After removing the last digit in this, the number is 1. After removing the last digit, now the number becomes 0. So here we are going to do 3 steps. Okay. So till that number becomes 0, right? For example, the step 1 here, what I am doing, digit I am extracting, digit equal to num modulus 10. So this step will extract the last digit. Okay, it will extract the last digit. Now initially you are going to have sum is 0. Now you are adding this digit, sum equal to sum plus a digit, right? So this is the second step. Now you have to remove the last digit from that number. How can you remove the last digit? Num equal to num 2 slashes 10. So these are the 3 steps that we are going to perform repeatedly until this number, while num is greater than 0. So if the number is greater than 0, do these 3 steps. When the number becomes 0, then you will come out of the while loop. Okay. So this is a kind of logic which we are going to use to find the sum of digits in a given number. Okay. So let's write the program in the IDLE shell. Open the IDLE, take a new file, save the program as program 23. Now, this is the program to find the sum of the digits in the given number. This is my program. Now, first you have to take number. Num equal to int of input of enter a number. So enter any number, so which we want to find the sum of the digits. Now, initially you have to take sum equal to 0. Okay. Initially you have to take sum equal to 0. Now, while this number, whatever the number you are entering, if it is greater than 0, Okay, you are going to perform three steps. The first step is extract the digit. Digit equal to num modulus 10. This will extract the last digit. Now, once this last digit extracted, add to the existing sum. Sum equal to sum plus digit. Then remove the last digit. Okay, num equal to num 2 slashes 10. This integer division will remove the last digit. And finally, we have the sum. So the sum of the digits is equal to, okay, comma. So you are going to print the sum. Okay. So very simple logic. So please go through my previous two programs. So where I have explained clearly about how can we extract the last digit. Okay. How can we remove the last digit? Okay. That will help us to solve this problem. Okay. So let's execute this program. I am giving number 1, 2, 3. Now the sum of digits is 6. Let's give one more example. I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you see that the sum of the digits is 15. So you can count it 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Okay, so this is a very simple logic which I am using for getting the clear idea for the beginners. Okay, you can have multiple logics for doing this. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on computer education. If you want the full Python programming course, so please check my description of this video. There you can find the Python programming full course. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.